Hey, my name's Zach, and I wanted to show you how to make a feather effect on a portrait in Photoshop Elements. So what we're going to do first is duplicate this background layer where I have my image loaded. We'll right-click, and we'll say Duplicate Layer. And we can do background copy. That's fine. Next, we're going to make a new layer. Now, it pops up above the other two layers by default. So what we're going to want to do is actually rearrange those layers. We're going to take layer 1 and pop it in between these two. So we're going to take the paint bucket tool and just click the image. You'll notice on the right, because layer 1 is selected in the middle, that's the image that's manipulated. Now what we're going to do is take our marquee tool, click on the top image, and draw a square out around it. Now, I have my feather pixels set to 12, and that's just about perfect. That's what I would go with, is 12. Now we're going to hit Select and Inverse. You'll notice another bounding box is around the whole image, and we have rounded corners here. On our keyboard, we're going to hit the Delete button. Not backspace, but Delete. So hit Delete. And now we'll hit Control D to deselect. And now, as you can see, I have a feathered edge in red all the way around this image. My name's Zach, and I just showed you how to make a feathered edge in Photoshop Elements. Thanks for watching.